So LP400 letter plate, sleeve letter plate. So we've got the brushes inside here and the two gaskets inside there. Take that apart. These two clips, which are the security clips which go on the inside of the outside faceplate, they come loose in the bag with the fixing pack. So on there we can see a countersunk hole and also that slotted hole there. The slotted hole is the one that's used against the faceplate, and the countersunk hole is the one that's used to fix down to the door. Packers underneath the sleeve inside there. You don't necessarily need to do this, but it's just good for alignment, making sure it's square to the aperture. Now the two clips, I've not fully tightened these here just yet, just so that I can slide them up and down against the timber. Centralise that in the hole, and then it's a 3mm pilot drill just down into the door there. And after that's been done, I'll just re-tighten them back up. Again, just finger tight, there's no need to overdo that. So we've now lined all the bolts up and started to tighten them up. When you're tightening these back, that we're just looking at nipping up the gasket on the outside and on the inside plate and not over tightening it where you can end up distorting the product. So just finger tight those bolts up. And that gasket's just nipping against the door now. I'm not over compressing that. Same on the outside. Job done. So this is the front plate on the LP400, now it's fitted, so this gasket has just been nipped up when we tighten the bolts from the inside. And looking through there now, see the draft seal brush there, just to stop any draft that may creep through. Real positive thing for the product as well.